So I've got a bunch of things from the garden that I want to use, and I'm going to make for dinner tonight an apple, fennel, raspberry chicken salad. So I have about half of a rotisserie chicken that I've just picked off the meat to bite-sized pieces. I'm going to set that aside while I prepare the other ingredients. I want to finely dice all of these vegetables into about the same size as each other. So I've got one yellow onion out of the garden, and I'm using my, if you remember the review, cutting board prep station, which I love still. I might save some of these green onions, but I am not a professional chopper. But I can get the job done. I have some chives. I'm just going to finely chop those until I feel like I have enough. These are actually garlic chives, is what comes up in my pot every year. It's surprising what comes up year after year here in Zone 5, because we get some bitter cold, snowy winters. Usually when you're stripping leaves on herbs, if you go the opposite direction, up down the stem, they come off quick and easy. So let's just finely chop this French tarragon. Still pretty woody. We might have to use, in fact, look at the segments, how it's grown up. So I probably let it go too long. But I think that some of these scales, I guess I'll call them, are usable. I'm gonna have to do some of the stem. I don't see anything wrong with that. It tastes good to me. But it got awfully tough because I let it grow too much. Didn't get it pulled in time. But we'll be fine. You can eat the fronds as well. Chop all this up. I think that'll work. Now we want some apple. I'm gonna put this in with the fennel. And now I want the zest and juice of half a lemon. That's good. Throw that in with the apples. And I'm going to save this for another recipe. So now it's time to put everything together. The rotisserie chicken from the store makes life easier. Let's put in the onion, the raspberries, the chives, the French tarragon, a few green onions, the lemon zest, apple, and fennel. Now I need some dressing, so I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons maybe of olive oil mayo. It's quite a bit of stuff there that we need to get stuck together. The juice of half of this lemon, some sea salt, half a teaspoon to start, and then we'll add more if we want to, and some fresh ground cracked black pepper. Maybe about that much. Might have been a half teaspoon. So let's see if I can get it all to fit in here. Mix everything up. Might be good to put some pecans or almonds in here. Walnuts if you like walnuts. I should have waited to put the raspberries in till the end because they're going to get kind of smashed. Sprinkle a little more salt on there. To serve it, I'm going to slice up a piece of homemade sourdough bread. Cut it in half on a diagonal. Spoon some of our fennel, raspberry, apple, chicken salad over the sourdough bread. And that's dinner. Savory, sweet, crunchy, and fresh from the garden.